We are living in two different worlds. In one world, we are actually polite, kind, obedient, beautiful, and hard worker, social worker people. In a second world, we are actually rude, we are not kind, we are not polite either, and we are actually, lazy, and we are very hard with every single one. The first world is on social media. We are on social media. We are very kind, we are polite, and we are very good to each other. We are nice to everyone. And but besides social media, in real life, we do not care about anybody. We do not even listen to our parents. We do not even help our neighbors, our relatives. We do not even go to salah. We do nothing. Nothing. So there's two different worlds. That's why today's topic is do not be fake, be real. Even in your real life, you must be very kind, you must be very polite, you should be helping each other, you should be kind to each other, you should be very polite to every single one in your family, you should be obedient to Allah, you should be obedient to His beloved Nabi Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam, and you should be following the commandment of Allah and His beloved Nabi Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is the reality, this should be reality, and that's how we should be on social media too.